my name is Aaliyah Zhané. Welcome to my channel where I do beauty, lifestyle, hair, and reaction videos. If y'all are new, if y'all can please subscribe to the video, I'd appreciate it. Y'all can thumbs it up, help the algorithm. And for those that are returning, thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. So today, I am going to be doing my first vision board for 2021, even though I am a little bit on the, late start. It's better to start than to never. So, better than never. I got this cute board from CVS Pharmacy, and I printed my pictures off of the internet from Google. So yep, I have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to glue, and y'all can watch me while I do it. I already cut it up, and I had a hassle getting the color printer because the color printer at the clubhouse wasn't working or out of cartilage, and so I used my mom's, and thank you, Mom. So yeah, let's get to it. This is the board. And I have a few things that I've printed out. Hopefully everything fits nicely. I tried to scale the pictures down on Google Docs. So I use Google Docs, not Microsoft, to print these. So it saves you money. You don't have to use Word doc or pay for the subscription. You can just use the Google Docs, which is really good to know. And I feel like these pictures that I searched for, thought thoroughly for, were very important for my goals, ambitions, for this year, and hopefully I can accomplish them all. That'll be exciting, but we'll see about that because it seems like the year likes to fly by so fast. Only time can tell. So yes, oh my goodness, this is really nice. Everything fits really nice. I have a little bit of space in the frame, but it's okay because it's my first time doing the vision board. But as long as all the pictures fit nicely, that's all that matters. So y'all can just watch me while I organize them, how I would love them, to be, in the order I would like them to be in, and try to space things out. Yep. Pay off that. I have my glue stick I got from Walmart. The blue kind. I have a few Sharpies. So let's get to the arts and crafts. Since I have a big glue stick, I might as well use as much glue as I can because it's not like I need it for school or anything. My hands will have glue on them. Oh, and I gotta make sure I put it down really even because it sticks right when you put it. I can just use the bottom of the glue stick to make it stick even better. And this is a cute board from the pharmacy. Okay, So now that I am done with my vision board, so the first one is for family. I just want to spend more time with my family, more phone calls, you know, to your loved ones is very important, and just letting them know that you're always there for them, and just being able to, you know, go on vacations together and just spend time together. And then this right here is the studio. Yes, it is. I do want to go to the studio this year. I will be making it one of my priorities to go, because I need that push, and music is what I love to do. And I just got into writing songs, and my little songs are really nice, you know. I've had my friends and family listen to it, and they like it too. And then remember patience and discipline. This is important because when I tell you, I be having so much anxiety, wanting to rush things, and I mean, goodness, when you want to get to a goal, you just can't wait to get to that point, and so you try to skip steps when really you need to climb the small steps first to get to the bigger goals in life. And so you have to have discipline, which is what I have to do in order to get to my goals in life and aspirations. And then of course I want to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube this year. I'll be trying my best to hit that and stay consistent, because I try to stay consistent and do at least one video a week. I used to say I would do 3 a week, but some things change when you get busy. This one, save money, is really what I need to do. Save money for real. That's what is very important to growing. And then I want to go on vacations. I know with this coronavirus, it is in the way, like disrespectful. Get out the way. Some people still are traveling, but I want to travel out the country, and it's just difficult with this coronavirus and the vaccine and all that, and I don't know what's in store for the future, but pray to God I can go to one of these beautiful places. Beautiful black couple, just, you know, you see them all loved up and affectionate. I need love and affection, love. Okay, I'm just kidding. But yes, I want a stronger relationship goals, you know, just getting to know my significant other more. You learn about your partner each and every day, so just grow and do different things in life and just experience new aspects, you know, together. And of course this says $1 million, but it is how to make your first $1 million trading Forex. So I decided to take Forex really serious starting last year, because back in 2018 I had bad experiences joining IML and just things didn't go right, but God pushed me back in the right direction. He stirred me in the right direction, and I really love learning this. So it's something that I love, and I'm passionate about it. And then I have as well money growing from, you know, well, from start to finish, and it just takes time to grow your money, you know. So I have these coins just for that reason, as to grow, as well as it's underneath the relationship picture, because both of these are growing, you know, better and better each and every day. And then I have the Forex market of course, I told y'all I am really dedicated to learning this. The graphs and all that might look like a lot to y'all, but it felt like that to me. But once I started studying it, and take your time and be patient, you will definitely succeed. And then I have built a stronger relationship with God. Yes, because I've been lacking that. I've been lacking praying, and I need to get back to being more closer with God and just having a stronger connection with him. Reading the Bible daily, like a scripture or anything from the Sprinkle Jesus app, or just anything is good enough in praying. And then I have Nike Just Do It. Just do it. Like the song with Alicia Keys and Khalid. Like, you know, just do whatever, living your life the way that you want, just do it. So Nike, and this plays a part in what I showed y'all earlier. So I'm not gonna give away the little secrets, but yeah, this goes into and tied to what else I was talking about earlier. It just goes, you know, I have to do it. It just goes. And then I have the weekly planner. So I do need to buy a weekly planner. I have one for when I launched my clothing store, which I'll, you know, I didn't have that on here, but I'll try to launch it again this year when it gets warm. But weekly planner to plan out goals in life, and just so I can stay on top of things and not procrastinate, and have the ambitions and drive to do my, you know, goals. And key to what I mean, stop procrastinating now. I found this nice picture on Google's the stop sign, stop procrastinating now, because that is what I do. Time will pass you by and you'll feel like everyone or everything's against you, and really it was you, you know, it was you. So stop procrastinating, and then you'll see a lot of, you know, changes in your life by, you know, doing that. Then I have this as well. Investing is really important to me. I am definitely investing, and this is for real estate investment, common stocks, preferred stocks, bonds, money markets. So far I am investing in stocks. Soon I want to invest in real estate, but I'll see how that goes, you know. I'm still being patient about that. I'll start a money market, but you know, the rates went down, so we'll see about that. And then something else that's not on here, because this picture obviously is so old school, I guess, is cryptocurrency. I'm investing in that as well, and you should too. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Those are the top 3. I'm probably not gonna go on about it, because the other ones I don't want to tell y'all about yet, because those are just at your own risk. But yeah, the top 3 are the ones that are really good. And then pay off debt. Yeah, pay off debt, like student loans and all that. It's just, I don't even want to talk about it, but yeah. And then of course, growing the money again. I am so serious about all of this, growing money and investing. And then Family Guy. I think it's goofy that I put Family Guy, but this show is so funny. But it ties into family, because I just want to be around my family, and we have a good time, we have fun, we laugh, we joke, we play around, and just leave like the real world like on the side for a bit and just enjoy life. And here goes the charts again for Forex, and then the Forex learn and earn. So yes, these are very important to me, and I am taking it so serious, waking up early to study it and everything. So yes, this is my vision board for 2021 that I plan to be manifested, and you know, everything goes as planned. And this is such a pretty glitter vision board. It's all spaced out. And thank y'all so much for tuning into my video, looking at my vision board, my first one I created. And I hope that y'all are here to see future videos and tune in and see how I grow and how this year will be my journey. And I appreciate y'all so much. If y'all can thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch y'all later. Thank y'all.